Today on Darlene's Table, I want to show you the easiest beer bread on the planet you can make. It's a no-knead bread and it's so good. Let me show you how to make it. This is such a simple recipe. I've tried other beer bread recipes and trust me, this one is the best. It was given to me by a friend. You are going to love this bread. We're going to start with 3 cups of self-rising flour and 3 tablespoons of sugar and mix well. One 12-ounce room temperature regular beer. I've tried the dark beers and other beers. Nope, just a regular cheap beer works fine. This is more of a batter than a dough, so we're going to mix this well. I'll tell you from experience because I make this a lot. One time your dough might be a little soft, a little runny, and the next time it'll be thicker, but it's okay. The beer adds the leavening, and you don't need this bread at all. See the consistency? Next time it might be a little thicker. That's just the way it works. Different flours and humidity are the differences. But as long as you measure your ingredients outright, it'll be okay. Now, into a lightly greased pan. You don't have to smooth it out, but I will spread it around evenly in the pan. Now I have 1 stick of melted butter. I'm going to put half of it over the top and save the other half to put on it in 30 minutes. Into the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Set a timer. Now out of the oven, and this is where we add the rest of the butter, and this is salted butter. Over the top. And back into the oven for another 30 minutes. It's ready. Look at that beautiful color, nice golden brown. I'm going to turn it out of the pan immediately and let it cool. It's going to be hard, but you need to wait 10 to 15 minutes before you cut it. All right, it's time to slice the bread. It's really crusty on the outside, but on the inside, it's very, very soft, light, and fluffy. If you want to make thinner slices, it works best with an electric knife. See how easy this was? You can eat this for breakfast or anytime. It even makes great sandwiches, and it'll last for days if you keep it wrapped. Oh, look at this. I like it with just butter or maybe butter and honey. Now listen to this. This has some serious crunch. Please give it a try and send me a comment below. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe. And as we say in Texas, y'all have a blessed day.